The job at hand today is to remove this ponytail. It's sort of gone a bit funny, like it's stuck virtually, well, it's a 45-degree angle there. It's in amongst all these palms, golden canes. I'll get back a little bit. So it's a nice little hedging sort of a screen, but that ponytail is meant to go straight up, and for some reason it decided to go out that way, chasing a bit of sunshine, I suppose. So I'll get the digger up here and do some gardening with the digger. I've just got to move some rocks and move that pipe out of the way and see if I can actually dig it out without making too much of a mess. First of all, we've got to use the digger and carry an old bathtub from our back garden down to the cabin. Here we go. so all dug out and the garden's back together. Check out what it looks like sitting, hanging off the digger. Yeah, bit sort of ominous. That's a huge root ball, but it's funny thing is it's all, yeah, well look, it's all above ground. Like, it's not a lot of damage there. All the little roots are just, there's not much holding it in the ground. Like, that's, you sort of look at the angle of it, that's hanging over 45 degrees or so. Anyway, let's see if we can go and find a home for it down the hill somewhere near the dam. That'll look a bit nicer and hopefully it starts growing a bit straighter. So here we go, we'll go for a little drive. So the ponytail's all in place. Hopefully it lives. We'll see how it goes. We'll give it a bit of a monitor. That sun's very bright. Anyway, if you like the video, it's just a bit of gardening with an excavator. Give us a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe to catch up with more stuff like this, we'll see you on the next one. See you later. Bye. Here they are all done with some veggies in it a couple of months later.